Yesterday my Snowglobe Starter Kits launched, and today I'm going to show you exactly what is in them, how to use it and how it will benefit you. So first of all, this kit includes everything that you will need to make a snow globe tumbler from start to finish, as well as written snow globe tumbler instructions and a supplier list so that you know where to get all your supplies from in the future if you choose to continue making snow globes when you finish this kit. So included in the kit, first of all, you will get a blank acrylic double-walled tumbler, better known as a blank snow globe tumbler. You can choose between a 16 ounce, which is this little guy, or a 24 ounce, which is this one. You also get a snow globe stopper. With every kit, I keep it inside the tumbler just to keep it safe, but you get a little guy like this, just helps when sealing your snow globes. Then you of course will get your snow globe solution. You can choose between a fast flow or a medium to slow flow. These bottles are 200 millilitres. So from experience, one of these larger 24 ounce snow globes takes around about, well, it's just under 200 millilitres to fill it. So if you are using this solution, you will be able to fill a 24 ounce or a 16 ounce and obviously have some left over. This bottle is a little nozzle bottle to decant your solution into, and then it just helps to put the solution into your actual snow globe tumbler, so you get both of those in the kit. The final thing you get in the kit that you have to make a decision on is your glitter. You will get one 2 ounce packet of the thelittleislaco glitter in every kit. You just need to type in the name of the glitter that you would like in the free type box on the listing. If it's in stock on the website, you can include it in your kit. You will also get a 30 milliliter bottle of 99% isopropyl rubbing alcohol. This is what I swear by to pop micro bubbles before the degassing process and to help clean the base of the tumbler to seal it up. So if you imagine you've just made your snow globe tumbler and you've got solution and glitter and grot all over the base, then all you need is a little spritz of this over the top of the base of the tumbler and a little bit of kitchen roll to clean it, and then it will be good to go, because that will kill any bacteria and it will get rid of any oils or residue that's left there. Then you will get a little cellophane wallet like this that has the kind of extra tools and accessories. So you will get a small bottle of UV resin and a little baby mini lamp, a UV lamp to cure it. That is to seal your snow globe tumbler. In the packet you will have a pair of nitrile gloves and a wooden mixing stick. And all of these supplies together will enable you to make a snow globe tumbler from start to finish. And then if you do choose to continue on your snow globe tumbler making journey, then the vendor list that's in the kit will tell you where you need to buy everything from. So you can get more blanks, more glitter, more solution. There's pre-made solution, there's vinyl, UV-DTF, everything. All the kind of extra fancy schmancy things that you would then be looking into if you want to continue your snow globe tumbler journey are written on that list. So then this is an example of what your snow globe tumbler will look like when you've used this kit. This is the fast flow solution, because I just personally prefer a faster flow. At this point, the snow globe will need to degas for a day, 2 days, depending on the solution that you use. Then it will be ready to seal up, and you can do that using the materials in the kit. But this is an example of what you're going to end up with. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you enjoy making your first or one of your first ever snow globes using my starter kit. Happy sparkling and best of luck.